The new month of April begins after the cold, and the birds are singing. They have waited in expectation for spring. Best of ladies, such expectation I have of you, with joy and with fear, that after the hard, cutting pains I have suffered, a loving and pleasant good may come to me. For just as the whole year adorns itself with leaf and with flower, the world is worth more because of love. And love has no worth nor value, best of ladies, without your protection. For you are the great seed of all good, and in you are beauty, worth and wisdom. But through love, worth is made more worthy. You have so much knowledge that love, youth, and honor make you their lord, and they bring you obedience each day. Best of ladies, so may it please you that love conquers your hard heart with beautiful behavior. For you know well that all teaching is in love, its beginning and its end. It is fitting to have patience for a true lover, and to take the pain in peace, for it will be hard for anyone who struggles with love not to weep. Best of ladies, in this belief I remain always, and do my penance until it pleases you. My advancement of words without deeds, with sweet, pleasing glances. Just as the Durance River loses its name in the greater sea, because it no longer runs low, so without fail loses its color. Best of ladies, before your presence every other beauty next to yours, which is so gracious that it just grows as the moon grows. Best of ladies, best of ladies, best of ladies. If I am here near Palansa, my soul and my body remain in your keeping. In the name of love, they will be obedient to you, provided you believe in what they teach.